So a couple days ago, I posted this on Reddit. I was really hoping that at least one person would say, it's not so bad. Instead, I got a lot of comments like, it's so bad. Oh, I prefer V16. I felt so sorry for the demo girl. And just go get a developer. But honestly, that just made me more determined to find a way to make it work. I spent a ton of time over the last few days using this stupid forward slash to try and insert something somewhere. But no matter what I did, not only did it not look good, it didn't even stick in the printed report when I tried it out. So then I decided to go and watch the demo again just to see if I was doing something wrong, if I had missed something, or if there was just some other way to go about it. And then I got to this part in the demo.
Existing reports, however, we made it a little bit more complex. Existing reports, you will have to use by default the HTML editor. Because they are pre-made in Odoo, they're not really made for you to alter, except for small things like content-wise, the style of the reports itself that you can change. However, adding fields there will always require you to do it in the HTML editor. We have consultants for those that aren't able to do it. We have consultants to help you out with this. For the people that can do it, it's actually made easier for the technical people, but we're talking for the ones that are not technical today.
Seriously? HTML editor or using a developer? What the heck? Not only does it not work well for customizing reports, it's not even supposed to work for customizing reports. Basically, the only thing you can do is make it so something is bold or italicized or something really stupid like that. So what the heck do we do about this? I mean, we can't just say that these reports are perfect. They're not. That's not to say they're not great reports, but every company is different. You need different stuff on your sales order or your invoice. It's just the way it is. So here are the two options as I see them. Either you get really good at HTML, or at least somewhat good to where you can get things to work, or you create all your reports from scratch. I'm not going to judge you if you decide to go ahead and build all your reports from scratch. That's your choice. I do think it's the longer and harder road, and it's really not going to give you the best results in the end anyway. So what am I going to do? Well, I'll tell you. I'm going to start creating videos on specific pieces of reports so that you understand how to do the HTML and do the HTML well to create these reports or customize these reports for yourself. Because any type of coding can get a bit overwhelming when presented in too big of chunks, I'm going to try and keep these videos to 3 to 5 minutes. So they're going to be on small pieces of the report, how to customize different pieces. That way, if you have a problem, you can come to one of these videos, you can walk through it, and by the end, you'll know how to fix your problem. So am I disappointed with Odoo on this one? Yeah, I am a bit. But it doesn't mean that we can't make it work for us. Most times I just use the tool that they had as a starting point anyway. And really, as I said before, using HTML is going to give us a more exact report anyway. It's going to be exactly what we want it to be instead of just kind of looking pretty close to what we want. So if you decide to go with a developer or build everything from scratch, that's totally up to you. No judgment here. But if you want to be able to develop these reports on your own, and I say develop loosely, this isn't the most difficult development. We can do it. Stick around for the lessons. I'll help you get through this. And if you have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments below.